What is up, guys? Andrew here. Welcome to the second channel. You already know we got a fresh cut. Got a cut myself. But yeah, guys, welcome. Today we're gonna be unboxing a director's chair that I recently just picked up. Little sneak peek right here. Look at that. Nice chair. So yeah, we're gonna do be unboxing that. So yeah, let's get into it. I'm gonna open this up. This is a big box. There we go. We got some cardboard, as you can see. Nice. You have my information of it. Cool, pretty cool. Put that to the side. We got more packaging. There you go. We got a box and a box. This thing is heavy. There we go. All right, so here's the box. This is a very weird shape, but this is a director's chair, like I said. Got some here. There we go. Side here. We got some cardboard right here. And I can kind of see the chair already. There we go. Where's that? Put everything to the side. And then it looks like some good material, to be honest. It's very sturdy. Or it looks very sturdy. Alright. We have some instructions right here. Okay, for the arm, raise arms. Okay, so I'll get back to you guys when it's already folded. Now it's all set. Look at that. It's all good. Now we can just sit. Pretty comfy, to be honest. But that's pretty much it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you guys smash the like button, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell so you get notified when I upload. As you can see, this chair is pretty comfy. Very good construction and everything like that. But yeah, guys, I will be posting here every day. I'm not posting in my main channel, Angel Montenegro. So every day I'm not posting over there. If I don't post over there, I'm most likely going to be posting here. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Laters.